cool. So here's the bike without carbs. Took the carbs off because as I was trying to fix the coolant leak that was happening from what I believe is from this overflow pipe, which is cracked at the top, so I probably need to get a new one of these. Runs all the way down into the coolant, or it could be the cap, which is a bit rusted. It's not the greatest looking cap at top, so I'm not entirely sure which one it is that's leaking, but it's one, either that or this, but I'm pretty sure it's this pipe which is cracked in this top part. This is the choke. This cable has definitely seen better days, so we're probably looking for replacing that. The rest of the stuff here seems pretty fine. So as I was busy sorting this out, then I was running the bike to get it warmed up, and then I noticed that there was a bunch of fuel dripping out of the one carb. Be that one there, the third one. So I'm going to have to take a look at that. Just going to put the bike back together without the airbox and the carb. So the airbox is incredibly dirty. There was like liquid in the bottom, so I want to take that upstairs and get that cleaned up, find out what's catching with it. But otherwise, yeah, it's filthy. I need to get a long 8, I think, to get in there, so I can take this cover off, so I can see what's happening with the wiring. This is a delete of the side stand, which someone did for some reason. The side stand sensor that causes it to not cut the bike off, so either was faulty or person's a bit of a dumbass. Yeah, absolutely filthy. So I'm hoping to clean this up before I put it all back together again. Sort of want to be riding the bike, not fixing it, but I don't really have a choice at the moment, it seems. So yeah, also still need to figure out what's catching with the fuel, not the fuel, the temperature sender. So this, it's the sensor, I don't know if it's the wire, because the wire just goes into here and it needs to run the temp gauge up there, so I don't exactly know if it's going to the right spot or if this ground is broken or what. So that's next on the list of things after I figure out how to take carbs apart.